Hey foodies, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Gyros are one of the most amazing creations to come out of Greece. They are so packed full of flavor and juicy meat, fresh vegetables, creamy tzatziki. The downfall? It takes hours of cooking, but I've come up with a way to make a more quick and easy and less than 20-minute Greek chicken gyro. Alright, first you're going to want to make your marinade. Let's add 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of mustard powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. Add in roughly 1/4 cup of oil and mix to make a wet rub. Put your rub aside. Get your handy dandy semolina protectors. Nobody wants to spend their night sitting on the toilet. Let's pull out some boneless chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts in this recipe, but thighs are a little bit more flavorful and a bit more forgiving when it comes to cooking. They're a lot harder to dry out. Place one of the thighs flat on the cutting board and cut the thigh into thin strips. Do this with all of the thighs. Alright, let's bring back your marinade and let's pour it over the chicken. Let's get your hands dirty and give it a mix. Once the rub has coated all of the chicken, you have two choices. You can cook it right away or leave it in the fridge covered 24 hours and really let those flavors get to know each other. After you made up your mind on how quick you want to eat these babies, you're going to set a large frying pan on medium-high heat. No need to oil the pan, there's enough fat and oil on the chicken itself. Add half the batch of chicken to the frying pan. Don't overcrowd it. What we're going here for is a nice sear. And you won't get that if you overcrowd your pan. Once the meat has been added, don't touch it for about 3 to 4 minutes as you want the heat to do its job and caramelize that chicken. Give the meat a little stir and let the other side cook for a few minutes as well. Once the meat is cooked, you're going to squeeze half a lemon on the chicken. This helps brings out all the flavors and brings them together. Once the chicken is cooked, place aside. Now it's time to start getting your platter ready. Grab a big cutting board so everyone can share. Grab some freshly made multi-grain pita. Cut the pita into quarters. Roughly chop a tomato into bite-sized pieces. Thinly slice a red onion. Peel and quarter a cucumber. Grab your chicken and place it on the board next to the veggies. Drizzle over some olive oil, over everything of course. Sprinkle oregano over the veggies and pita. Season the veggies with some sea salt. And lastly, a big dollop of tzatziki. There you go guys, quick and easy chicken gyro. Let's give this a little taste. That is some tasty chicken. Try this at your next dinner. Food-Dee out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. It helps me to create great recipes for you guys. And I'll see you in the next video.